If you want to create a custom filter in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S26, what you can do is you can go to the camera over here. Next, we should be able to tap on these four dots that we have on the right side and search for a button that looks like this, these three circles. And in here we can of course open our camera filters. In order to create a custom filter, you can go over here to the left side, and then you can choose a picture that is going to be used as a reference for the filter. So let's say I'm gonna choose this picture over here. Then we need to wait a couple of seconds, and you should be able to tap on create in order to then make some further adjustments if you want to. So we can tap over here to adjust the reference area. So let's say I'm gonna select this area over here. Let me try again because I closed by accident. There we go, and let's tap on done, and let's proceed. And then you should be able to create the filter pretty much immediately. You can tap on the filter if needed in order to make some further adjustments. So you can adjust the strength of that filter, color, temperature, and so on and so forth. But also if you choose any of these pre-made filters, you can tap on them to make adjustments as well. So you can use them too. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.